Why does your scanner show the P0271 engine code? What does it mean? P0271 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 4, Injector Circuit High. The P0271 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the electrical voltage or resistance flowing to the fuel injector on the engine's fourth cylinder is higher than the manufacturer's specified limit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty fuel injector, damaged wiring, short circuit, poor electrical connection, bad engine control module, ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.